Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the oil in a Toyota 4runner. Park on level ground and engage the parking brake, then run the engine for a few minutes to warm the oil so it drains more easily. Turn the engine off and allow it to cool slightly to avoid burns. Prepare a drain pan, new oil, a filter, a wrench, and gloves. Keep a rag handy for spills and plan for safe disposal of used oil. Make sure you have the right oil, filter, and basic tools before you start to make the job quick and tidy. Wear gloves and eye protection and use ramps or jack stands for safe access to the drain plug and filter. Position your drain pan under the oil pan and loosen the drain plug carefully with the correct socket. Inspect the old oil for metal fragments or odd smells and replace the drain plug washer. Start by removing the drain plug and letting the oil drain completely into the pan. Then reinstall the plug to the proper torque and replace the drain washer if worn. Remove the old filter and lubricate the new filter gasket with a bit of fresh oil, then hand tighten the new filter according to specs. Refill the engine with the recommended oil capacity, run the engine briefly, and check for leaks while monitoring the oil level and adding as necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.